Leonardo the Terrible Monster, told by Mo Williams, retold by Suhana. A terrible monster sat and slumped. He tried to be scary but failed every time. He had nothing special like 1,642 teeth, and he surely wasn't a giant. He wasn't a weirdo either. He tried so hard but failed every time to be a scary monster. Then he realized he should find a little kid and easily scare him. He looked and found the perfect guy. A boy named Sam. Leo snuck up very slowly behind Sam and did his best to scare him. Find out what happens next. Check out Leonardo the Terrible Monster from Hoover School.